Are you an aspiring healthcare professional looking to work in an English-speaking country? Then you need to master the Occupational English Test, also known as OET. In today's video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive summary of the OET subtest, helping you understand what it entails and how to excel. So, let's dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Sanitha, and today we're going to explore the OET subtest, a crucial part of the OET examination. This test assesses your language proficiency specifically tailored for healthcare professionals like doctors, nurses, and other medical practitioners. The OET subtest consists of 4 modules, each designed to evaluate different aspects of your English language skills. Let's take a closer look at each one. Module 1 Reading. The reading module assesses your ability to understand and extract relevant information from healthcare-related texts. You'll be presented with various passages, such as patient case notes, articles, or research papers. Paying attention to details and managing your time effectively is crucial in this section. The duration is 60 minutes. The test carries a total of 42 marks, with Part A accounting for 20 marks, Part B for 6 marks, and Part C for 16 marks. If you want to score a grade B, you typically need to score a minimum of 30 marks in this section. Module 2 Listening. In the listening module, you'll be tested on your ability to comprehend spoken English in healthcare settings. You'll listen to recordings of patient consultations, lectures, or healthcare professional interactions. Remember to listen attentively and take concise notes to answer the corresponding questions accurately. The listening subtest consists of 3 parts: A, B, and C. The total test duration is approximately 40 minutes, which includes a pause for you to check your answers. There is a total of 42 questions and each question carries 1 mark, so the maximum score for the listening subtest is 42 marks. In order to obtain a B score, you typically need to score at least 30 marks, out of 42. Module 3 Speaking. The speaking module evaluates your ability to communicate effectively in a healthcare environment. You'll have conversations with an interlocutor, simulating real-life scenarios like patient consultations or discussions with colleagues. Focus on expressing your ideas clearly and demonstrating your proficiency in medical terminology. It is important to remember that the speaking subtest does not test your medical knowledge. Instead, an audio recording of your role plays is taken and assigned a band score of 0 to 6 based on the following linguistic criteria: intelligibility, fluency, appropriateness of language, resource of grammar and expression. There are also 5 clinical communication criteria you are assessed on. Your performance on these is given a band score from 0 to 3. The criteria are: relationship building, understanding and incorporating the patient's perspective, providing structure, information gathering, information giving. Module 4 Writing. The writing module assesses your written communication skills. You'll be required to write a letter, usually based on a healthcare-related situation or scenario. It could be a referral letter, discharge summary, or a letter seeking information. Structure your writing effectively, convey your message concisely, and demonstrate your knowledge of medical vocabulary. Now that you know the 4 essential modules of the OET subtest, it's crucial to understand the scoring system. Each module is graded on a scale of 0 to 500, with 350 being the minimum score required to pass. Achieving a higher score will enhance your chances of success in your healthcare career abroad. To excel in the OET subtest, it's essential to prepare adequately. Practice regularly by solving sample questions, familiarize yourself with medical terminologies, and seek guidance from experienced professionals or join preparatory courses specifically designed for the OET exam. Remember, the OET subtest is your gateway to a rewarding healthcare career in an English-speaking country. With dedication and preparation, you can achieve your dreams. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your OET journey. To stay updated with the latest videos and tips, make sure to click the subscribe button below. And for more resources on OET preparation, check out the links in the description box. Until next time, take care.